What inspired you to start offering AI grant writing services through Tribe Digital?
So the inspiration for AI grant writing services through Tribe Digital actually came from my own personal experience with grant writing. Initially, my church was seeking funding for programs, and we wrote some grants. We weren't successful with those grants. And then we sought out a grant writer, a firm actually, that was a grant writing firm. And the experience was just not great. We were never a high priority for them because we were a small organization. We weren't going for the biggest grants, and I think they did some sort of a percentage split. They received some compensation for successful grants. So it just wasn't a great experience. And as as Tribe Digital moved more and more into the artificial intelligence space, we realized and I recognized that AI could be a really, really helpful tool in grant writing and accessing funding. If you're a not-for-profit, if you're a church, a mosque, a faith-based organization, if you're an individual or an entrepreneur and you are confused about how to really access grant funding, or you want to elevate the level of grant funding that you are currently accessing, I would say give us a call, connect with us, visit the website, because it's getting more and more competitive in the grant landscape. And there are so many fantastic organizations that are missing out on the resources that they need and I think deserve, just because they don't have a strategy when it comes to accessing grant funding. And we can help you with that strategy. We can help you writing the grants. We can really help you impact the community in the way that you should be impacting your community. So connect with us at tribedigital.ca/grants, and let's see what we can do for you.